We are used to that you can add a video background as well as a map to your block container. Now with the 2.4 update, you can also do it to columns. The column on the left, select, and from the options toolbar, go all the way to the left where you select background, and you will see next to type, you have video as well as map. Let's go to video and go grab a link from YouTube. And I have this nice repeating background. Click on share and copy, go back and simply paste it, Control Command V, and there we bring in that nice little loop in the background. You can select loop. And under filters, you can add some if you wanted to. For map, select the map and type in the address. I'll take your Cheetah Outreach Strand. And there we go. We have our Cheetah Outreach, and I can decide if I want to zoom in a little bit on that. Zoom out. And this will be how you can add this to a column. And you can play around with the size, and it will all depend on the size of the container, how those videos and also how the map background will behave.